刀流プロサーファーの井上楓です。本日からパラサーフィンフェスタに参加するために静岡県に来ました。そしてその前に兄のスポンサーであるフォイルのスポンサーであるたくまコンセプトのボードに乗るために御前崎に今来ています。ということで今から兄はフォイルに乗って、私たちは波がいいのでショートとロングで今からサーフィンしていきたいと思います。ぜひ最後まで動画をご覧ください。
Lost track of the forest through the trees, forgot what I was chasing. Been so many nights living out at sea that my heart is gone vacant. And everybody who was close to me all stayed on dry land. So now I'm driving back on Interstate West, I just gotta feel something. Not gonna wait because something's gonna change my mind. I don't wanna change my mind. I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Send my best friend an apologetic text, he says to come over. Well, the whole damn town has been waiting for the day when you would come back here. There was dancing and talking and steaks on the grill, and I think and my ex from high school still looks just the same as she did back in 2009. Not gonna wait till the morning. Let's never put the night on ice. Never put the night on ice. Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Hate into poetry, pain into power, enemies to friends and your minutes into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life. And they all said I was crazy for leaving my money. Be allowed. Life is just too short to never do what you want to. What do you want to do? Oh, I wanna stay right here, chilling with my friends for another year. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life. Oh, come on, turn your hate into poetry, pain into power, it's into hours. I would walk away from the spotlight for the good life, for the good life.
Can you feel it? Thunder. Can you feel the love? It's coming through the walls and all the hearts are lighting up. Colors that bring you back to life. Dreaming inside a disco night. On and on. Watching the stars collide into the ceiling. Heart break high is just a feeling.
はい、今上がってきました。入って数分かなぐらいでいきなりサイズアップして波もこうどんどん掘れてきて、すごいなんか乗りづらくなったんですけど、ショートとかロングが結構乗れて、で途中で兄とホイール交換して最後何本だろう、5本ぐらい結構いいの乗れたんでよかったです。この後は静波方面へ向かってロングで入ろうかなって考えてるところです。というわけで今回はこんな感じで終わりたいと思います。最後までご視聴いただきありがとうございました。チャンネル登録と高評価、インスタグラムのフォローよろしくお願いします。もし午後入ったらそちらの動画もお楽しみに。